here. Come on, Alex. Stop, honey. Come on. This way. Blake. Look. Shh. Come on. Come here, Alex. Huh? Look at all this stuff that Santa left. You want to start opening some presents? Look your bud. What is this? It's this. Yeah. You guys want to try it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let Daddy move it. Let Daddy move it.
Caesar. Caesar. Caesar.
You put your bum on the squishy part. Put your bum on the squishy part. Unless you really like a rod riding up between your legs. Here, slide back on the squishy part. Slide
Sit
back,
down on
fuck
it.
Sit. You gotta sit.
Have fun, Alex. Boing. Whoa. Honey, it's a seesaw.
That's what you're supposed to do.
All right, let's start opening presents. Okay, try that out. Go ahead.
Boing, boing, boing.
A boing boing.
No, I wanted
Okay, honey, you both get to try it.
Bang, bang, bang.
Listen, that trampoline, the trampoline and the seesaw are for both of you guys. And those are from Mommy and Daddy. Go ahead, jump, Alex.
Bang, bang, bang. No, the trampoline is a one at a time thing. And this, you both have to use it or else it's pretty much unusable.
Daddy, what's this?
Jump!
What's this big ball?
That's
It's the air cushion so you can bounce off of something instead of hitting your butt hard.
Ow, ow!
Jump!
This.
Boing, 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 boing.
This.
okay. Get down. Let's see if Blakey can jump. Let's give Blakey a turn, then we'll start opening presents. Okay?
No. Yes. Yes.
Whoa.
Jump, dude!
I know. All right. Okay, come on.
My
Mickey's Christmas ribbon.
no.
Okay. Alex.
I did try.
Yeah, no. One at a time, okay? Okay, get down. Let Blakey try. And then we're going to open presents. Go.
Here, dude, look. Open it. Santa.
Here, Blake.
Boing, boing, boing.
Whoa! Whoa!
Spider-Man. Get your gymnastics in.
Here comes Kitty.
Oh, dude.
Let me see. Watch this.
You do realize I'm videoing.
Oh, I forgot you were. Excuse me.
Open.
Not yet. The stockings are for last.
I always did stockings